Hi there, I'm Marius, and today we are going to add a list or view to our Power Page so that we can show some data that we administered in Dataverse to our users. As always, I'm starting at make.powerpages.microsoft.com, editing my page. I will switch over to the Data tab here to find the entity product, which I thought would be a good fit to show to all users, so anonymous users, in the Power Page. Just like with the forms, I've prepared here a view which I prefixed with Power Pages to show that this view is public in the portal. Here you see my form for this. You will see why I need this one later in the video. Then I will create a new page. It will be from blank, and in the main navigation it's the products page, and on this page there is the list element. So selecting product here again, finding my view, and in more options I will also enable the search to demo this one. So this is the sample here. I have to set up permissions. I've already set this up from the testing. Here you see read permissions to anonymous users, and when I save this one, again we will see the warning, yes, this is public to anyone visiting the Power Pages site. So then I want to change some settings about this. I, for example, don't like that there is a column product ID, which I want to name product number. So here in advanced settings, I can open the portal management app, which has all the capabilities and more of the designer. It's just not that easy to use. You can see here the list in this app, and you see a lot of things like I've enabled the search, which is here. You have here filters, which do work a little different from the standard Dataverse filters, but that's something for a separate video. And what I'm looking for is the Options tab, where I can edit the attributes. I've chosen here product ID and renamed it to product number. And the second thing I want to do is add a details action. So details basically means open the form, but I don't have a form. I've set up the form in customizations, you saw that one, but it's not listed here, and that's because there is no basic form for this. And so let's save this one for now, switch over to the basic forms in this app, and there, by the way, you see the lead form from our first experiment with forms. So I'm selecting product, my custom Power Pages product form. I need to associate it to the website, and for the mode I choose read only because I don't want to let the user insert products or edit them. I just want them to be able to use them. The record ID is in the ID query string parameter in this case. So let's go back to the list, and now we can select in details our basic form. Okay, let's save this one and go back here to the designer. Let's preview this page, and then we can see the final result. So here's the products list, and I can search by name. So searching for EQ finds me that product. I can view the details, and for showing this I have included an image here, the entity image, just to show, okay, it does not need to be text. So that's it for today. That's the view, and with this you can show any data from your Dataverse in the Power Page. One last note, because I chose the wrong field, you need to choose the product number field, which has a display name of product ID here.